What's up? It is RC boat season as promised. This guy only took us 5 hours to get to this spot. You better watch this video. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Popeye is home. Amelia is with Grandma and Grandpa. We are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Only half the family today. But we're gonna have 2 times the amount of fun because we drove 5 hours invested to be out here today. We've actually got a screw in the front tire of the car right now. We're a ticking time bomb. But we're here to have some fun. And that's exactly what's gonna happen with this bright red RC boat. We've gotten so much water. The rain, the water is so high right now.
Water falls from the sky.
It does, the water does fall from the sky. And this guy is under $60. It comes with 2 batteries. It's Verhoek, which does a pretty good job with toy grade RC stuff.
But we've had this on the channel before. It's just a rebranded H101. They kept the H101 name, but they just have a different brand name in front of it.
2 batteries, very
so
cool.
awesome.
Charged nice and quick with the included charger. It's a water-cooled system, as to be expected. It's completely ready to run with a transmitter. So if you are looking for an RC boat, now is the time to be shopping around, and we're gonna do our best to help you find the perfect RC boat to try this out. Go to a lake, go to a pond that's local, and just have some fun. This looks really cool. So let's slap this in the water and we'll let you know what we think. Controls? Yes.
It bound?
Okay. So, quick little lesson for you guys. If you're buying your first RC boat, it's not going to work most of the time until this little metal contact here touches the water. So if you're juicing it and giving it rudder and it's not working, it needs to touch water. And that's always a gamble because you think, well, I don't want to just throw it on the water because if it doesn't work, then you got to get wet to get the boat back. So you touch it to the water and this one binds. So that's what we're going to do. Abby, you just kind of taxi it out there for me so I can go back up the hill. Ooh. Probably needs trimmed a hair.
All right, Nate's at the controls.
Let's see, trim, steering trim. There we go. Yes, awesome. We thought this would be a cool spot to drive. It is. Yeah, I got it trimmed up nicely. It's gone pretty straight. Look at that. This is so cool. We need to come here more often to do boats. What do you think? We don't need to be out on a kayak. We can go right up here next to us.
This is nice. Other than the water being brown from all the rain, it's nice up here.
I like it.
This is Beach Fork Lake State Park. It's in West Virginia.
Let's see if I can get this boat to turn over, because it should have a self-righting feature. I don't know if I can get it to roll on its own, but I might test it at the shore for you guys. Now, I'm gonna drive by and watch this water shooting out the side of it. See that? Can you see that? Mm-hmm. That is the water-cooled system working. Now, it's not on this side. It sucks water in through the bottom of the boat and then shoots it out of that side. I'll try to get it. There it is, look at that. So cool. Now, RC boats have their time and place. They're not for everyone. Maybe everyone doesn't have a cool spot they can run the boat like we've got here. We had to drive to be here. We had to drop the kiddo off and...
It's like an hour and a half from our house.
Yeah. But once you get out and you're doing this, it is fun. Look at the water shooting up the top there.
Yeah, I love the rooster tail.
We also wanted to pick a place where we were far away from fishermen because people are fishing here today. And you don't have to go full throttle. You can go, let's see, nice and slow if you want to just taxi it a little bit. Make sure everything is working. Very cool little boat. Yeah, I like the bright red because it's easy to see. And if the water wasn't so brown, it would stand out even more. Abby, give this thing a shot. Also, look at this transmitter. It has these like grips down here. It feels really good to hold on to. I like this. Normally you have that trigger style, but this is nice for the boat. It works really well. Look, very nice. You got to give this a shot, Abby. I don't know how long the battery will last.
Okay.
But I'm sure you got enough.
We got 2.
Okay.
But I only charged 1 battery. I didn't see the other battery in there.
We didn't know it had 2 until we got out here, to be honest with you guys. Okay.
What if I just hit those sticks?
Don't hit the sticks. You might break a prop. And then it will be stuck out there. If this was an airboat, like a gator boat, swamp boat, you could do that.
as I said at the beginning of the video, we've had this boat on the channel before and we really like it. So
yes.
If we seem kind of laid back, it's because we know we like this boat.
Yeah.
The same that we've had any of the H101s are always super awesome.
And at that price, it's just a really good entry-level RC boat.
It's a good speed and everything too.
A little hint, little teaser here for you guys. We have a couple more RC boats that we're going to test, one of which I think is brushless. So be sure to tune into the channel in the next day or two, or maybe a few days. You'll see it on the channel. Do you like driving RC boats?
Everybody told me that they like my donuts.
They do like your donuts.
And then I bought some donuts that day.
We have eaten donuts since then.
I think everybody's comments with the icon or emoji of the donut made us want donuts. So, what is your favorite donut? I want to know. My favorite donut is glazed with chocolate icing. That's my favorite. What's your favorite, Nate?
I like maple flavored donuts.
So you like glazed with the maple icing?
Yes.
You like cream inside yours though, right?
Yeah.
Cream filled?
As much sweet, sugary stuff that's bad for your teeth, the better.
Like I'm doing some figure eights.
You are. Okay, let's mix it up a little bit.
What do you want?
Cruise out. See how the range is. Go over there to the other side of the little lake, and I will zoom. I think so. Zoom, 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 zoom.
I hear ducks and geese today, and I'm pretty excited because...
oh, what did we hit?
I'm upside down.
Okay, that's okay. So throttle back, forward, back, forward. Stop, stop. Okay, let me do it. You go throttle back, forward. Maybe forward, back.
It's going. There it
got
goes.
it.
Nice. It's so zoomed up.
Self-righting boat.
That was 13 times digital zoom. That looked terrible.
We've hit something because we're hung up.
Oh no!
Yeah. We may have lost the boat. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, it's hung up on something. Pretty bad.
My boat!
We might not be getting it back. I can hear it.
Well, we have some other boats to do. You got it! Yay!
So what I did was I reversed, just tap, tap, reverse.
That had to have been like one of these sticks or something out there that we couldn't see.
So these boats have a rudder that goes pretty deep into the water, and I'm guessing the rudder just got hung up on something. And so what I did was I just went reverse, reverse, light, because if you juice it, that's full throttle, and it could snap that propeller. It did come with extra propellers, by the way, but I went reverse, reverse like that, just to try to get that back end up higher, and then I juiced it really quickly.
Such a good boat.
It really is. Hey, we got flipped over on the other side of the pond, or lake, and got it flipped back over. We got stuck and we got unstuck. That's actually never happened to us before.
That's a pretty good distance for such a small boat too.
Yes, and we could have gone farther, but we panicked because it got hung up there. So
we can't see what's in the water over there.
Oh yeah, I really didn't see anything at all. So had nothing to do with your driving. Oh, now listen to that. The boat has a low battery. That's our warning. Time to come back. Very cool. I
like that.
Me too.
Look, we're on a pier today. This is a really cool spot. If we've ever done boats here, it's been a long time. But if you guys remember the Thunder Tiger K-Rock, we did bashing in this lake when it was drained. So every winter they drain this lake, which is super cool. And we did that bashing video, and so you should check out that video if you want to see this lake completely empty. Nice!
Well, that's really cool. And actually when I pulled the boat out of the water, it stopped beeping because it knew the metal contact is not wet anymore, and now I don't have throttle anymore. The prop is not snapped or anything.
Nice.
But it does come with an extra. This is awesome. This might be one of my favorite boats.
Yeah, for sure.
What helps is it has a story now too. It got flipped out on the other side of the lake.
And stuck.
Stuck, and we flipped it back over.
That's cool.
The way that works, just so you guys know, is a little bit of throttle. Forward, back, and the boat is just gonna rock, 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 and then it flips all the way.
What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do?
Rock, 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 rock.
Thanks.
Rock, rock, rock.
Someone please do something with that.
No.
Look, there's my geese. They're out there.
Abby, the last test of boats, and I forgot we
I
did this.
want to feed the geese. Look at it, look at it. There's 2 of them.
Get over here. We're doing a boat video. Here's the final test, and then we'll go feed the geese. We wanted to see, and I forgot this on our last 2 boats that we did.
Look, they're coming toward us. They're coming toward us.
We'll feed them.
Is there water?
Is there water?
We did not put any tape.
Okay.
Is there water?
Just a few drops.
That's
no
awesome.
sitting water.
Especially because there's no boat tape. Flip it upside down.
And yeah, we were just a few drops. Considering that we were flipped out there.
This is such a good boat.
That's a great boat. If you're looking for an RC boat, maybe your first, maybe you just want to add a couple more to your collection so you can race boats with friends. This is a great boat for you. Stop with the geese. Also, this is 2.4 gigahertz. For those of you that are new to RC, maybe you've been out of it for 10 years or so and you're getting back into it now, that means you can drive literally hundreds of these together. So it's good that they're passing by now anyway, because we didn't want to chase them with the boat.
They want to eat. Hurry, we gotta go get the food.
Guys, this will be linked in the description box below. Absolutely awesome as far as budget RC boats go. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye.